Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing. Make sure you are an admin and have a quick backup of your Edge profile because changes persist. Once done, fully close Microsoft Edge and verify no Edge processes remain in Task Manager. Then reopen Edge and go directly to Edge//extensions. This is where the only reliable removal begins. Locate the extension or add-on named Maestro, Key, or anything showing the key icon. Click Remove and confirm. That initial removal takes out the overlay source. Once the extension is gone, don't stop. Make sure extension sync is off so it cannot reinstall. Go to edge/settings/profiles/sync and disable extensions. Next, clear cache and cookies for the sites that showed the key symbol. This removes cached UI elements. Then inspect edge//policy to ensure no enterprise policy forces the add-on. If you see a managed extension, you must remove the policy or edit the Windows registry policy key that enforces it. To finish, restart the browser and check the toolbar and address bar. The key symbol should be gone. If it reappears, make sure Edge Sync is off, sign out, and create a fresh profile to isolate the old settings. This usually stops propagation. If problems persist, reset Edge to defaults or reinstall. That clears stubborn policies and corrupted data. Troubleshooting tip. If the icon still returns, look for third-party apps or antivirus password managers that inject UI. Disable them and repeat the cleanup steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.